cool avatars that you can recognize and change make your products feel extra special for users. MetaPerson Creator is a cutting-edge tool that enables developers and creators to generate highly realistic and customizable avatars for gaming, social media, and virtual reality applications. It's easy to use and doesn't require any special skills or knowledge. To see it in action, try the MetaPerson Creator yourself and watch the video tutorials on our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about available options for outfit customization in MetaPerson Creator. Let's dive right into it. MetaPerson Creator contains a wide range of customization capabilities. We are proud to say that by using our technology, you can create basically anything. Let's take a closer look at how easy it is to change outfits using MetaPerson Creator. With just a few clicks, you can transform the look and feel of your avatar's clothing, adding a personal touch that enhances the overall user experience. First of all, you will need to create an avatar in MetaPerson Creator or load one of the sample ones. To do that, just open MetaPerson, avatarsk.com link, and load an avatar. As you can see, your avatar already wears some randomly generated costume. Let's add some personal flair. Pick any outfit you want, and let's make it happen. The most basic but crucial option for outfit customization is to change the color to a single solid one. To start that process, just press the Settings button near the selected clothing item or dedicated Customize button, and you will see our color picker. Simply pick any color you want and this item will instantly be recolored. Yes, it's that simple. After picking your perfect color, you can also add some logotype or image to the item if it supports this mode. Press the dedicated texture button and simply upload an image of your logo to the scene. We will adapt our texture to make the clothing look great. You can experiment with any image and we do all the hard work for you. Right now, we only support uploading JPG and PNG images. But what if you want something more exquisite or unique to truly stand out from a crowd? Let's inspect the available options further. Are you inspired by your favorite game like Cyberpunk or some film you watched recently? Maybe you always wanted something more abstract like polka dot patterns, or you are going to the beach and you absolutely need some Hawaiian t-shirt. Look no further and press the AI-generated button and take a look at our AI-generated outfit texture. Try our most popular requests or provide a text description of a texture and we will generate anything for you. You are just a few seconds away from your amazing new look. But we have one more thing to show you. Let's delve into our newest option, texture from image. Currently, it is available only for t-shirt items, so just choose one of them. Moreover, we have some requirements on textures that you can provide, but we will lift them in the future to provide an even wider range of possibilities. Upload 2 photos of your current t-shirt to our editor, one of the front and one of the back. And we will generate the same outfit for your avatar. Want to check a fashionable t-shirt from your adored marketplace? Just download its images from the website and try it with your avatar. This process was never simpler to use. Now you can see that MetaPerson Creator has lots of tools for customizing how avatars look. Your only limit is your imagination. Thanks for listening. Please subscribe to our channel to receive notifications about the new features and tutorials. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask at support@avatarsk.com.